Within the Discover Ulster-Scots Centre, there is a gallery dedicated to the transatlantic connections between Ulster and America, and to the role played by those of Ulster Scots or Scotch-Irish descent. The story told here talks about the many families who made their way to Ulster from Scotland in the 1600s, and how many of them were on their travels again a century later. A range of factors, including the search for religious liberty or the desire to make their fortune, drove many from Ulster's countryside to the shores of the New World. The Montgomery Gallery in the centre, named after Eric Montgomery, who played a vital role during his life in researching and documenting the connections, provides a space where lots of the elements from this amazing story can be told. From the ill-fated voyage of the Eagle Wing in 1636 to the larger scale and predominantly Presbyterian emigration that commenced in 1718, the gallery tells the stories of the people and their reasons for crossing the Atlantic. Many of these people would become leading lights in the birth of America as a nation. We see the roles that Ulster men played in the revolutionary campaign as fighters, thinkers, theologians, or even as more practical men who printed the Declaration of Independence or designed the Great Seal of the United States. Descendants of those who left Ulster shores played a large part in taking America in a new direction. The gallery highlights those who have helped to shape America's politics and society. No fewer than 18 of 44 presidents can claim connections through their family roots to Ulster, from the first Ulster-Scots president, Andrew Jackson, whose family left Carrickfergus just a few years before he was born, through to Barack Obama. Ulster heritage has significantly influenced the most powerful role in the democratic world. Politics aside, men and women of Ulster descent have also played a key role in the civic and commercial life of the United States. From pioneers such as Davy Crockett or the Lewis and Clark expedition to captains of industry and commerce such as Procter & Gamble, Jack Daniel's Whiskey or IBM, the links across the sea are immense. We see a people who promoted learning from establishing schools in log cabins through to universities such as Princeton or MIT. The centre also looks at how the Ulster Scots or Scots-Irish engaged with Native Americans and with the African American community in later years. We see the role that Ulster Scots played in the campaign against slavery through the Underground Railroad, and that even Rosa Parks had Scots-Irish ancestry. We also look at our place in the arts within America, whether that be in connection with film legends such as John Wayne, or through literary giants like Edgar Allan Poe or John Steinbeck, or influencing American music from the likes of bluegrass and country and even Dolly Parton herself. The Montgomery Gallery provides a narrative that shows the role that the Ulster Scots or Scots-Irish have played in making America the nation she is today. It truly is a story worth sharing and one we hope you have time to explore.